You just put it into it.
Normally I'm throwing it away. Yeah. So strong.
Oh, big boy.
Oh, big boy. What do you bench? Nothing. Absolutely jack all. Bench
Most
exactly.
of my bench has been misses.
Married life really hits you when you say that, doesn't it? Is this big Mary?
My endurance is holding me kids up for an hour straight while waiting for the fucking toilet.
My endurance is listening to Mrs. tell me they've done something wrong, we've done it right.
Oh, check that steering wheel in it.
Yeah, it is. It's gonna go
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, fun fact, I reckon Frank's boss kit will probably fit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is the same spine.
I mean, I'll give it a shot. I kind of like the Integra as well, though. It's got like Integra on it.
Mm.
It's always there as a spare, mate.
True. Wink.
What do you reckon, James? Gold engine cover? Iron Man?
Nah.
Iron Man thing?
Nah, make it. I don't know.
Blue engine cover? Gold cover?
I was just gonna say a spiderweb cover. That'd be cool.
Huh?
Would you like a spiderweb cover? Like, you know the old Spider-Man spiderweb, how it
yeah.
comes out, like from the corner?
You know how fucking hard that is?
Nah.
I can get a stencil and put it on it and then spray it.
I reckon it'd be cool.
I reckon you just don't paint them.
Just slap it in and fucking send it.
Nah, we'll do something good.
Send a rod.
Send a rod to the other three, you reckon? There we go. Now we'll probably get it.
Beautiful.
All the way through. Bloody hell, boys.
Straight in. Happens sometimes, most times it doesn't.
You're a Canadian, mate. See that, beauties? Do you ever think you'd see this day?
I mean, eventually, yeah.
Quality content. Wretched. Look at that arm work. Woo. Woo. Damn. Biceps of Arnold.
Boys, couple more bolts and she's sort of ratcheted half in, I guess.
Fuck talking. Who needs to talk?
Talk to spec, boys.
No.
One ugg-dug from the arm.
Right, you want me to drop this engine side?
Yeah, you can let that side out. That side should hold.
Oh, the weight. So the whole car just drop a little bit. Now we might need to get this underneath so we can lift up that side.
We may just need to, like, almost just jerk it downwards.
Oh, you screwdriver into it.
The rubber's moved. Try pushing on that side as well. Try wrenching it down. Rubber's caught. Rubber's caught. Caught on what? The mount. I don't know.
Getting all the angles.
Jesus, mate.
Every angle.
I wonder if
You get to the undershaft.
I don't think that's showing much.
I know.
Whoa.
Oh boy, it's pretty much mounted.
Slow and steady.
I've got to say, it's pretty much in.
She's in.
Rubber's definitely hooked.
Hmm?
Rubber's definitely hooked up. Mount's definitely not much better than the original we had.
But still something. Isn't that meant to be?
No, leave it.
It's all loose.
I'm gonna try and fire it up too. It's just straight, no drive shaft.
Just wire and fire.
Yeah. Straight up. Stick some fluids in it and send it.
No exhaust pipe either.
Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, anyway.
Loud boy.
It's only spare.
Coming out straight from the extractor ports.
It's basically a straight pipe.
Should I just get trumpets on this?
No. I'm not doing a conversion, mate.
No. I'll get custom made trumpets there, and they'll just come out the front.
Trumpet's got back.
Some fucking thing.
Do you need to push?
Don't try this own kids. So close. So close I can taste it. Are you filming my ass or something?
No.
You know?
Just thought it'd be the good screenshot for the videos you on the engine. Like get a freeze frame of it.
I got photos of the old one. Stood on top of it, yeah.
Still comparison.
That was old with a new stand on it.
That's the new stabilizer.
And God GoPro's got steady footage because like you're making a mess of it.
What do you mean? He's been filming for 20 years.
You'd love my footage.
Yeah. Oh, this. Thanks, mate. The thing one. It's on the shelf for Sarah.
Oh yeah.
Yellow and black one or something. Get it.
Yeah, it's in. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
What's up? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's your other one?
Yeah. I mean, it's not in.
It's too big.
It's not in, but it's in. What were we getting in? Just didn't go in. We needed a bit of lube and a bit of hard pushing and no foreplay.
Bit of kissing.
Bit of kissing.
Kiss and caress.
Slowly but surely, it's going in. And then we hear brum brum. And then soon we hear stoo, doo, 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 doo. And then later we hear bang. And then part out. And then another car. Right? That's how it works.
Don't say that.
Hey, that's how it works with me.
Oh, I can see the head.
Butt crack check.
She's birthing. Hey, leave my crack alone.
Butt crack check.
It's a me, Mario.
It's a me, butt crack.
You know the difference between his butt crack and his butt crack? His has a mustache.
Must ask you a question.
Mustache.
Yeah, the boys.
Not talking about.
Going in. It's going
Very
in.
close to true.
It's going in. In.
You gotta send it, honey.
Got a very patient dog over there too, watching every move.
When Tony's thinking I should just stick to pizzas. Screw this.
Maddie was like, "You want to become a mechanic?" I'm like, "Fuck no."
You're like, on a scale of 1 to no, that's a firm no.
Just keep on spinning.
Yeah, keep going, it's coming through. I can do that when I do this. problem. He also likes the touch. It's an inconvenience. Hey, Holly.
Sponsored by Holly.
And Hello Pandas, because, gangster. Hey,
Fucking spinning just this can't have. Go for it.
it's still going through, man. It goes fairly deep. Yeah. Not wrong at all.
Yeah.
How many Ugga-Duggas is that?
That's a nice Ugga-Dugga. I think that should be enough Ugga-Duggas, Tony.
That's about half a nugget nugget. There's the other half. There you go.
Alright, one Ugga-Dugga done. 19 more to go.
This mount is almost back together.
Oh, put it in, Daddy. You're not gonna get monetized, are you?
Rat shit me, honey.
There you go, babe.
Well, that's right. We'll undo it and then we'll build up some more.
With action. Once again.
Fast stretch to the south, boys.
Who needs Uggs when you have Uggs?
South life. Alright, boys. I'm just saying. Once that one's done up, that's 3 out of 5 mounts, please.
I think we just leave it like that.
Just straight up, just law on it. Alright, it's held under its own weight, boys.
Hey! Would you look at that? Couple more bolts, couple more screws, couple more plugs, couple more
Can you pass me that?
poos. What? This? Sure thing.
Give me the big ball.
Getting it done. Looking good. I mean, it looked the same as it did before, but it looks good. Just this one works.
Debatable.
We don't know that yet. Yet.
Right, babe.
To be continued.